We just took in this 2021 Forest River Sunseeker LE 2550. It's a double slide Class C with 20,000 miles. Let's go check it out. Well, hello and welcome back to RV Walkthroughs. As always, my name's Taylor Quayle. We're here at Padada RV Center in Tucson, Arizona. And we're gonna look at this little 2021 Sunseeker right here. It's about 29 feet, 29 and a half foot overall. It's a double slide out. It's on the E450 chassis. We're just gonna give it a quick exterior interior look and see what this coach has to offer. So let's start up front on the tire size. You're gonna hear the engine running in the back. 225/75 R16s, date code 3919 on that tire. It does also have some Bilstein shocks in there. You see nice little suspension upgrades. Try to stay out of the sun for you. It is a full-on Class C. Got your overhead bunk right there. Got your 110 receptacles and your furnace right here. I think that was a 30,000 BTU furnace. We got a, what kind of size? 12.2 gallon capacity propane tank. And then a compartment here. This is where they stored all their sewer stuff, it looks like. I'm surprised it's not on the other side. Graphics are in perfect condition. I mean, it's a 21. Gotta expect that. Let's see what kind of water heater we got. 6 gallon. Standard water heater. We'll double check, see if it's gas and electric inside. Got your main exhaust right there. Dually wheels in the back. What are those? A couple low point drains, it looks like. A pass-through storage. A little baby pass, but still a pass-through storage. Now your first slide out right here is actually going to be for the bed. It's one of those beds that fold over itself. Down in the back, we got a 7,500 pound hitch. 750 weight distribution. Not quite sure what the wheels are for. If you guys know what these are for, go ahead and let me know down in the comments. It does also have a 710. Now we gotta, of course, check out the roof, which means I gotta climb up there, so let's head on up. Here we are up on the roof. See your nice big awning right there, your slide topper over the bedroom slide. It is a single AC, came standard with those Max Air vent covers, and I think that's a little Winegard satellite system up there. Overall, the roof looks really good. Don't mind my shutter. All right, down below off the roof, 30 amp power service, no auto transfer switch, so you will have to plug it in. You can see the other side of that pass-through storage. Your sewer connection's right here in the back, kind of hidden a little bit. See some water takes right there. Tank flush, gasoline. Then we got a big storage right here under the slide out. And then on the slide out, there's another storage that flips down. This is right behind the dinette. Let's see if I can kind of give you an idea. Lift that open, you got your dinette right there. Try to maneuver all the other units we got. There's your side vision camera right there. 4,000 Cummins own and gen set, less than 100 hours on that. Quick little peek of the front driver's side. I think I already said it, but E450 chassis. And that's the exterior. Let's jump inside. Right when we open the door, you got a latch for your battery right there. And I just opened this one. Tell me what this is. Is that a little like a pistol storage? That's the only thing I can think of. It's a very, very heavy solid door and unlocks with the key. So that's what I think it is. Battery disconnect right when you walk in, awning extension. What are those probably? Heaters probably for something, maybe tank heaters. Let me shut this door behind us. And this is what you see right when you walk in. You're greeted with the slide out of the dinette and the couch. The front area, very standard E450 chassis, but you got that kind of newer style steering wheel, a little bit funner to grip, a little bit more options on the actual wheel. Oh, we got a tire pressure fault. 20,027.9 miles. You got a electronic, oh, that's hard to see, backup camera in place of a just regular mirror. Seats do have covers on them. They're probably cloth. Let's see if we can lift them up a little bit. They are cloth and actually in good condition. They just wanted to put seat covers on. Looks like they probably had some animals before us. Other than that, pretty standard 450 cab. They don't vary too much. I forgot to turn that light on. It's a little dark up here, but you got 2 windows for the overhead bunk. This cushion does come forward, rests right here, and then you got the ladder that you can hook onto those 2 latches to get up there. Left side, it's got like a little cubby, cup holder, some storage there, some storage back there. So pretty decent, pretty standard overhead bunk, but hey, can't complain. Your first main slide out there, all the way down, right there, for your couch and the dinette. Dinette, standard booth dinette. You loosen that bad boy right there, take off the table, let it rest down, and you got yourself a sleeping area. Nice, deep dinette drawers. One thing that I saw on here that's pretty cool, your back seats are Velcroed to this little flap of wood. This lays flat when you're making it a sleeping area to give you just a little bit more of a solid surface, and this Velcro's on to keep it in place, which is sweet. Keep it in place, and then there we go. All right, then of course you got your couch over here, cloth couch. For the most part, cloth dinette. The bottom pieces are that ultra leather. That'll end up probably peeling a lot quicker than the cloth. But the couch does have a couple fold down cup holders. Behind here is that storage we saw from outside. Kind of cool. And then this is a jackknife sofa. Before we completely flip it up, check it out. They put like laminate right here, give it a little bit better look. And there's that sleeping area, a little jackknife sofa sleeper. We do have some storage above. I'm a big fan of all the pulls on the cabinet drawers. Ooh, soft close, very nice. And then these 3, same concept. These all should be connected to each other. Open that, get a little bit more light, and let all those close on themselves. Very cool. All right, and then of course we got a little bit of wardrobe, bathroom, bedroom, but we'll get to that here in a second. We're gonna actually flip her around to the entry door. You got your Connects multimedia device, 98.5 hours on the gen set, gas or electric water heater, so it is both. Lights, driver's side rear light, slide out control, 12-volt Magic Chef residential style refrigerator. And I don't know if you guys have ever heard of this freezer function, but it's got a turbo cooling. So cool. I'm not even sure what that means, but it's got it. Sounds neat. Fantastic fan in the main living area right here. It's hard to see through that vent, but you can see that Max Force air vent cover. Then your kitchen, all in one. Now, I got a question here, the stove top. So they added this little kind of, cutting board. It's got the feet on the bottom to fit into place, but it looks like they got rid of the glass panel that covered this area that was connected to this. So they only have one here. It's a little bit different. You do have a little bit of knife storage right behind that. But the newer style 3-burner stovetop by Magic Chef, and then the matching stainless steel microwave down here that is also a convection microwave. It's a little bit different what they did. That will rest there nice and easy and probably reduce some of the road noise. This is not a vent cover or anything, it's just a light. Looks like it's a hood, but it's not. A little bit of storage behind or on above the kitchen. It's only a single bay sink, but it's a pretty big one with an extension on that faucet. Lots of counter space right here though, which is a plus. Some more storage. You got 4 of these drawers. We're only going to look at one because they're all the same size. And then storage under the sink, which is pretty immense. Oh, there's that other piece of glass. So you could add it back on if you want. It does make a little bit of noise, so I don't blame them for taking it off. Connects, what is that? It's at least a 32. Got a little magnet piece back here. Can be a little hard to open, but there's a decent storage back here. Just to the right of the TV, it's gonna be a little baby kind of pantry, spice rack, something like that. Below that, same concept. The bed is also on a slide out. It's one of those where that back cushion kind of lifts up and raises over this cushion. So it comes in, pushes itself over, and then you still have like a little baby walkway here, but not much. It's not very usable when it slides in. A couple storages above, couple lights also. You do have a little cubby down here, and then your main wardrobe, kind of hidden, but is located right here, like that. Does also have an accordion style door If you follow the track, it goes just outside the bathroom. So you don't have to close off the bathroom if you want a little bit of privacy. Another 110 receptacle right there by the couch. You got 3 of these drawers. Not very deep. And then, you'd think it'd be a wardrobe. It is just more shelving. And then of course, we do have your bathroom, which one thing I like, if you look at all the cabinet doors, kind of like a cream color. Get a little bit of the dark wood accents throughout, especially on like, you know, the little storage area and the dinette. But the rear door is all that same accent color. So it looks cool, it looks good. Very kind of modern two-tone look that everyone's going with. Corner toilet, it is porcelain. Little baby sink, a little bit more oval though. Some storage down below, some storage up above, and then not a fantastic fan, but still a vent cover. Can't get that to be a fantastic if you want. This one piece fiberglass, kind of like stone granite look-alike shower is pretty nice. It is fiberglass, so it is, you know, movable. Pan is separate, 2x3, 18 by 24, something like that. One thing that I think is weird, you do have power right here, which is nice, but is that the toilet paper holder? And you're sitting right there, so you got to reach behind your shoulder and grab up. I'm not. I'd relocate that very, very quick. That's the bathroom. You do also have slide control for that, hookups for the TV. This is your thermostat, so you can turn that on, use the furnace, control the furnace or the AC, light control. And then that's pretty much it. So why don't we get these slides in? Oh, that's not it. Let's look at my printout. I got to tell you the dang price on this guy. 73 grand, just over 20,000 miles, single slide out, double slide out, single AC. Here are LE, the far left column is all the available standards and features and options for this coach. I couldn't find one option except for the running boards right here. So there's that. There's some of the top features from the Sunseeker LE models. And then there's some weights and measurements. You can see the highlighted one. And your actual floor plan. All right, if you do have any questions on any of that, or you want to reach out about purchasing this unit, go ahead and I'll put on my contact info on the screen, cell phone, email, reach out if you want to. Let's get this slide in and give it a look, give it a peek on what it looks like in travel mode. All right, and here we are with the slide in. So technically, if you needed to use the dinette or the couch as a sleeper, you still can. Pretty much except the walkability. Fridge, TV, microwave, full kitchen, completely accessible. You can see what I mean about this rear bed. I mean, if you're a small person, you could level that out and try to sleep on it that way. I'm pretty short. I could probably fit in the fetal position right there. Bathroom, literally zero change. Just comes down to the walkability right here. So very well laid out coach, minus that bedroom slide to be used while you are traveling. Get a quick peek of the exterior with everything closed up. All right, and I'll put my info, like I said, on the screen one more time. If you have any questions, shoot me a text, that's my direct cell phone number, or shoot me an email, that's my direct email, with Padada RV Center. I appreciate you guys viewing this video. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comments. Have a great day.